Every popcorn and kernel begins its journey in fields engineered for precision harvest.
Specialized combines gather popcorn-grade corn without damaging the kernels.
Inside, the system begins separating husk from cob in a single fluid motion.
The harvested cobs travel deeper into the machine toward the onboard grain tank. Precision rollers strip each cob clean, leaving only uniform kernels behind.
An auger lifts the newly freed kernels into the combine's holding chamber.
Once full, the kernels are transferred instantly to transport wagons.
The harvest never stops. Machines coordinate in motion to maximize efficiency.
Filled carts head toward bulk trucks that will transport the kernels to the factory. Each truck is sealed to protect the crop from moisture and contamination. From here, the kernels begin their long journey to the processing facility. From here, the kernels begin their long journey to the processing facility. Ahead, a modern popcorn factory awaits, where raw grain becomes a global snack. The harvested kernels are delivered straight to a controlled processing zone. Every load is logged digitally before entering the plant.
The first stop is the raw kernel intake system. Alignment must be exact to prevent spillage and maintain purity.
Gravity unloads the kernels into powerful subterranean conveyors. These conveyors transport the harvest to towering steel silos. Elevators move thousands of tons daily with clockwork precision. Here, kernels rest until the cleaning and sorting stage begins. When needed, valves release exact quantities for processing. From here, the kernels begin their transformation into popcorn.
It's a definition on the trimicronic straight pies.
Technicians ensure each batch meets strict internal specifications.
Ahead lies the first major step of refinement: deep cleaning and sorting.
A modern popcorn factory is a self-contained ecosystem of precision engineering. Every person entering the plant follows strict hygiene protocols.
Cleanliness is the foundation of food-grade production. Inside, thousands of moving parts coordinate every stage of production.
The kernels arrive exactly as they were harvested, ready for refinement.
The first stage: removing dust, husk fragments, and field debris.
Cyclonic extraction clears unwanted particles in seconds.
Magnets eliminate even microscopic metallic fragments.
Here, advanced cameras analyze each kernel individually. Only the highest grade kernels continue to processing.
With cleaning complete, the kernels advance toward conditioning.
Hydration begins, raising internal moisture for an ideal pop.
Each kernel absorbs moisture at a tightly controlled rate.
Technicians confirm every batch meets precise moisture standards.
Next, controlled drying stabilizes the kernel's internal pressure. Next, controlled drying stabilizes the kernel's internal pressure.
Heat tightens each kernel, preparing its shell for explosive expansion.
Rapid cooling locks in the moisture and prevents over-drying.
Only clean, fully conditioned kernels remain.
High-speed air removes impurities without touching the product.
Human eyes provide the final selection before processing. Processed kernels gather for the transformation ahead. Precision dosing ensures each popping chamber receives a perfect load.
Next, the explosive heart of popcorn manufacturing, the popping line.
The kernels enter high-capacity kettles, built for rapid, uniform popping.
The heat saturates the chambers, pushing internal kernel pressure to its limits. Each kernel becomes a tiny pressure vessel, seconds from transformation.
Then, in a controlled eruption, corn becomes popcorn.
Immediately, the popcorn exits to prevent overcooking.
Airflow cools the popcorn and preserves its delicate texture.
Vibration trays separate perfect pops from unpopped grains.
High-pressure air removes the last tip. High-pressure air removes the last unwanted bits.
With popping complete, flavoring begins.
Rotating drums ensure every piece is evenly coated.
Flavors bond to the warm surface, creating the signature taste. Next, high-tech automation inspects each batch with absolute precision. Every kernel now passes through a precise optical evaluation. Air jets remove imperfections in fractions of a second. Safety systems confirm zero metallic contamination. A thin, edible glaze locks in both flavor and crunch.
Multiple tumbling stages refine texture and consistency.
Cooling stabilizes the structure and prevents sogginess. Uniform moisture is critical for long shelf life. Advanced sensors ensure precise seasoning levels. Every handful must taste exactly the same.
Homogenizing creates a consistent final product across the entire batch.
From here, the product branches into specialized packaging lines. Next, advanced automation ensures precision down to the gram. Advanced flow gates guide every kernel with engineered precision.
Optical scanners instantly detect low expansion pops for removal.
Servo-driven belts synchronize thousands of pieces into a single uniform stream.
Automation ensures every handful leaves this line evenly spaced.
Conditioning tunnels prepare each batch for flawless flavor binding. Smart analytics predict wear before it disrupts production.
Every nozzle is calibrated to deliver exact seasoning flow.
Laser guidance ensures the line never drifts off path.
Ultra-sensitive load cells measure each batch in real time.
This control hub synchronizes every movement on the line. A full-line sync check ensures flawless flow to finishing. With automation primed, the finishing stage begins. Every kernel now enters the heart of flavoring.
A perfectly dispersed mist locks flavor in evenly. A micro layer of oil binds every grain of spice. Rotational dynamics guarantee total coverage.
Human eyes ensure the seasoning meets spec.
Cooling locks flavor and stabilizes texture.
Settling tables ensure consistent fill density.
Smart weighers measure exact packet quantities.
Safety systems guard against contamination.
Gravity feeds each portion into its final package.
High-speed sealers produce hundreds of packets per minute.
Aligned packets head to intensive quality checks.
Aligned packets head to intensive quality checks.
Random samples enter the testing protocol.
Each selected pack must match target weight.
Seal strength is validated under controlled pressure.
Moisture levels determine shelf stability. Expert panels ensure flavor remains signature. Microscopic checks safeguard purity.
Durability tests simulate real transport stress. Seasoning ratios must fall within strict limits. Pressure tests confirm packaging resilience.
Color scanners detect even slight roasting changes.
Approved batches move to final packing.
The final river of packets enters the packing hall.
Robotic systems arrange each pack with perfect alignment. High-speed tape heads secure every shipment. Every box receives its traceable identity. Automation builds precise, stable pallet stacks.
Tight wrapping protects each pallet during transport.
Completed pallets enter climate-controlled storage. Material handlers move shipments to outbound bays. Precision placement ensures safe, long-distance delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce popcorn from start to finish.
A fully optimized process, engineered for efficiency. Stay tuned for the next deep dive inside modern manufacturing.